What's up guys? My name is Andrew McWilliams, Regional Sales Manager for Tige Boats, and today I'm going to give you an in-depth walkthrough of the all-new 2019 RZX20. The RZX20 is hands down the biggest 20-foot boat on the marketplace. From the second you walk up and notice the absolutely ultra-deep freeboard from your first steps inside the boat, there's no question it's the biggest boat out there in the 20-foot space. The Tige RZX20 boasts a 20-foot length from rub rail to rub rail. It's the only 20-foot boat in the marketplace with a true 102-inch beam. It's got seating capacity for up to 13 people. It's got a dry weight of 4,975 pounds and comes standard with 3,000 pounds of ballast, which is split up between 1,900 pounds subfloor and 1,100 pounds in factory-provided plug-and-play ballast. You can only imagine the wakes and waves you can produce right out of the box. So what makes the RZX20 so great? Well, let's start with the most important piece, performance. The Convex V hull is a performance-enhancing innovation from Tige that actually allows the hull to sink deeper in the water when running at wakeboard or surf speeds. That rocker tip and tail design physically causes the boat to pull itself down in the water to naturally create your wakeboard wakes and surf waves without using any performance diminishing hardware. The way the water flows across the bottom surface of the hull equates to about 1,000 pounds of artificial downforce, which is great if you're a beginner all the way to an expert rider. Not only does the Convex V hull play a crucial role in shaping up your wakeboard wakes and surf waves, but it also has a drastic impact on the running attitude of the boat. Where our competitors in the marketplace turn down in the back third of the boat, causing the boat to force itself out of the water, the Convex V hull trends up in the back third of the boat, causing it to sink down to give you a drier ride and better fuel efficiency. Let's talk TAPS 3, the most versatile surf system on the market to date. Now let's break down TAPS 3 a little bit and start out with our center TAPS plate. Now Tige was the first in the industry to come out with an adjustable plate to control the running attitude of the boat that complemented our Convex V hull. So whether you're going to go out for a slalom ski or a wakeboard set, you can fine-tune the boat to your liking specifically. No matter the discipline, TAPS 3 lets you simply dial in the perfect wake and wave. Your side plates are designed to both roll the boat side to side and yaw to give you the most customizable surf wave on the market. Whether you like a steep surf style wave or a mellow skim style wave, TAPS 3 is designed to give you the most customization possible. In addition, TAPS 3 comes standard with auto taps, a plane assist function that helps get the boat up on plane when loaded down with people and ballast. It also automatically adjusts the plate up for ultimate wakeboard and wake surf waves. The final piece to building the ultimate surf wave with TAPS 3 is fresh air exhaust. Now, fresh air exhaust serves a few purposes. First and foremost, it takes the fumes produced by the engine and redirects them down into the prop wash rather than right in front of the surfer, giving you a clean wave and clean air to breathe when you're surfing. In addition, it reduces engine noise, making for a more enjoyable and quiet experience. We at Tige designed TAPS 3 with one thing in mind: simplicity. Whether you're going out to build the biggest wake surf waves in the industry or just going for a cruise with the family, everything is one touch away. Let's talk power plant. The RZX20 is powered by the industry-leading Raptor series by Inmar. The RZX20 is going to come standard with a 2-to-1 transmission, which is going to optimize the torque capabilities of that Raptor series motor. Unique to the Raptor series motors, all of our boats are going to come standard with closed cooling, whether you start at the 400 motor or option up to the supercharged 575, giving you peace of mind on the water for years to come. Pairing the Convex V hull with the Raptor series by Inmar allows Tige to be the most fuel-efficient boat on the market, pound for pound with our competitors. We burn about 30% less fuel with the same size motors, giving us the most torque and most power out there on the market today. Before we jump inside the boat, let's take a second to talk about build quality. The RZX20 goes through the heaviest lamination schedule. You'll see it in our gel coat and you'll feel it out on the water. Whether you want to dress it up or keep it simple, we give you the possibilities to customize the ultimate boat for you and your family. In fact, we're so confident in the lamination schedule of this boat that we back it with our lifetime hull replacement warranty. When you step inside an RZX20, you're going to notice three things right off the bat: style, space, and technology. The first thing you're going to think as soon as you look inside is there's no way this boat's 20 feet long. Our engineers have designed the RZX20 so every inch is usable space and nothing is wasted, giving you the biggest footprint of a 20-foot boat on the market today. Sitting inside the RZX20, it almost feels like you could fit another 20-foot boat inside the footprint of this boat. I mean, it's huge. There is no interior like a Tige interior. It's unmistakable. From the diamond stitching and customized accents you're used to seeing in the RZX line, the RZX20 is no different. Every inch of our interior is designed around comfort and luxury. You'll see it in the diamond stitching and you'll feel it in the way the seats wrap around you. Not only are the interiors beautiful, but they're built to last. We use the highest quality vinyl thread and back every one of our seats with tree coat backing so you know that your Tige will last for years to come. The RZX20 utilizes a liner system which allows us to hide all of those pumps, batteries, and components used to operate the boat down below the floor, leaving a really clean finish. You'll notice all of that deep storage is lined with non-skid material, giving a really clean look to the inside and allowing all your gear to be protected from wear and tear. In addition, it doesn't build up mold, which keeps your storage compartments smelling clean for years to come. You'll notice when you open the rear hatches, the storage compartment communicates all the way through under the observer seat, allowing you to store different size boards and skis and anything you might need for a day on the water. Throughout the cockpit of the boat, you'll notice that the small details make the biggest impact, such as billet aluminum grab handles and accents, 19 cup holders for everybody on board, USB chargers throughout the entire cockpit so everybody can stay connected and charged. You'll also notice non-skid steps through all your high traffic areas inside the boat and removable filler cushions for both the bow and the aft portion of the boat to give you ultimate lounge area. You can also flip up the port and starboard bench seating to give additional front row seats to the action. The open concept in our pickle fork RZX20 gives you the ability to put your filler cushion in and have a playpen style seating, or pull the filler cushion out and give you a more traditional walk-through bow feel. The RZX20 comes standard with the Alpha E2 powered tower, which won Innovation of the Year because of its design with the user in mind. This tower is strong, solid, and has absolutely no rattle when you're going down the lake. And with the simple push of a button, it can lower to windshield height in less than 7 seconds. When standing tall, the Alpha E2 tower is 6 foot 3 inches, which allows for plenty of overhead clearance and can sustain up to 3,000 pounds of force. The RZX20 is going to come standard with swivel board racks and the optional clamping board racks that give you the ability to keep your boards up and out of the way to give you maximum visibility when you're driving down the lake. You're also going to have additional storage up on your bimini. When you open it up, it's got surf straps on both the port and starboard side to add for additional board storage. You can store wakeboards, skis, or any other water accessories. If you want shade, the bimini can be opened up for maximum coverage, but if it's one of those days you want to let the sun shine in, you can close it up and cruise. All new for 2019 are customizable tower blades for the Alpha E2 tower. We give you the ability to bring those beautiful gel coat colors from the outside of your boat up onto the tower. To enhance the overall look and feel of the Alpha E2 tower, opt for the RGB blade lights. The RGB blade lights allow you to bring the tower to life. Whether you're locked into a solid color or going through the spectrum of colors, it's truly a statement piece when you're out on the water. We partner with the most credible, best sounding marine audio company in the business, Wet Sounds. The RZX20 is going to come standard with a sound system that's going to blow you out of the water. It includes 6 8-inch in-boat speakers, a 10-inch sub, and dual amps, with the option to add 1 or 2 sets of tower speakers. And the entire system can be connected via Bluetooth, auxiliary, or USB. You can select and adjust the volume of each wet sound speaker through zone control. So whether you have a rider behind that wants to hear the music loud or someone up in the boat that wants it a little quieter, you can customize it to their needs. And when it's time to hit the road, opt for the over-the-tower cover to keep all those tower accessories like your speakers, bimini, and board racks protected. Let's take a seat in the captain's chair and walk through the helm of the RZX20. Let's start with the obvious. What you see in front of you is the 10.7-inch Tige clear touchscreen. The simple and elegant design of our touchscreen gives the same look and feel as some of the most high-tech cars in the world today. We intentionally position the screen on the right side of the dash so it's an ergonomic transition from the throttle to the touchscreen without taking any hands off the steering wheel. In addition, we place the screen to the right to give the driver maximum visibility and ease of operation. The icon-based system is intuitive and easy to use from experienced pros to first-time boaters. Every function on the screen can be controlled through one touch, whether it be giving you full control of the audio system, filling or draining your ballast, customizing and adjusting TAPS 3 surf system, viewing chart plotting, taking full control of your wireless GoPro camera, and lastly, a live feed of what's going on behind the boat with your standard rear view camera. All of that form and functionality from the Tige Clear screen transfers over to the steering wheel controls to give you an added level of control. The left side is going to have all of your action-based buttons from cruise control to surf system adjustment, while the right side is going to have all of your audio controls from muting, volume, and changing the track. Another awesome feature of the steering wheel controls is the fact that the center hub stays stationary, so no matter which way you turn the wheel, your controls stay home. This ensures simplicity, functionality, and ultimately safety when driving the boat. Our standard dash phone holder adapts for any size smartphone today and allows you to plug in manually to USB and auxiliary cord for the audio system. Lastly, the dash is finished out with a piece of non-skid that keeps anything sitting on it from sliding around. Our sports car-inspired Z-Cline chair comes standard with every RZX20. It gives you the ability to swivel, slide, bolster, and recline the chair. For those of you that want to extend your season just a little bit longer, opt for the heated seat upgrade that not only heats your Z-Cline chair, but your observer seat as well. With its style, performance, and technology, the RZX20 is redefining what a 20-foot boat can do. But it doesn't stop there. The RZX20 comes standard with the Tige 5 warranty, which covers your boat from bow to stern for 5 years. You can go out with the peace of mind knowing that Tige's got your back. If you want to learn more about the RZX20 or you want to take one for a spin, visit your local Tige dealer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the water.